Kajol is like a breath of fresh air. मतलब उनकी spontaneity जो है, I mean, when I met her, when I saw her in Bazigar, she was bubbly, she was energetic, she was like completely committed, involved, and a great sense of timing. Again, she's got a fabulous sense of timing. But she's got such a wonderful personality. I mean, Kajol is just, and it shows on the screen. You know, she's absolutely brilliant and very spontaneous. Or she certainly gives I mean, she's the kind of person that, you know, you see on the screen and she brings a smile to your face. Not many people have it.
She did a film called Gupt.
Yeah.
She tried something different out of the box, you know.
Yeah.
Female doing a negative character. So, your take on that?
I think it's very good. It's the same that we were saying earlier on. I mean, you know, every actor wants to explore different aspects of themselves, different roles they like to do. Actors, I mean, you can't really call yourself an actor if you don't want to do different things. I mean, you can't just do one thing all the time. And I think that's probably where it came from, that she obviously liked the subject and she wanted to play a character of that nature, and she did it. She did it really well. So just, you know, full marks to her. Just shows that she's versatile. She can do what she does in terms of romantic stories and all that, and she can also do a Gupt. And she has the capability of doing that, and it's just another major plus mark to her talent. You would ask her that. I mean, I really don't. I can't comment on that. No, I can't comment on that. It's her personal life. I mean, you know, that's a question you must ask Kajol, and I'm really. It's not my place to even try and attempt to answer that. To be very honest.
Okay, last question. You have worked with both of them, Ajay and Kajol.
Yeah.
In Ish. So, about her relationship with Ajay, you must have seen them on the sets.
Yeah, we worked together. I saw them on the sets, and it was as far as I could see, they were colleagues, and it was a working relationship.
So how did they complement each other?
They were very good on the screen. I mean, you know, I'm talking about the screen. I mean, apart of the fact that off screen, I really don't know. Like I said, off screen, I just thought they had a good relationship as colleagues, as people who are working together. And that's what I saw on the set. And as far as, obviously after that they got married, so there must have been something more, which, I mean, I'm not privy to that, and I don't particularly want to be. I mean, it's their relationship, but their chemistry on the screen was wonderful. It was wonderful.